Hello everyone. Today we will see Cypress-Xpath integration. So today we will create one test case. Till now I have told with the CSS selectors, but today I'm going to use Xpath integration with the Cypress. How we are going to try test case with Xpath. How we are going to create a test case. Okay. I'm creating one more folder. New test cases. Test cases. So under this folder, I'm creating one file. Hmm. Login test .cy.js login test demo. Okay, so this is my test case. Okay, these all are my previous test cases. So now I will try to create with export now. See here now. Previously I have used totally with the CSS selectors. Okay, we went through CSS selectors. Now we try to achieve with the we try to create a test case by using export in my no test case. Okay. So I'm going to create first test case. Describe. So login test demo. Login test demo. So creating first it block. So export test case. Here cy dot visit. So pick the URL. So here no, I'm using this application. This is also one of the demo application. I'm using this one. So till here. So previously, what I used to do cy.get. See, normally, I used to log in, right? I have to click here. So if I do login, so can you see we have class ID? I'll pick the ID. Finish ID dot click means here I'm using CSS selector. Here we are using CSS selector. CSS selector. This is a CSS selector. Okay. Just run it. Say login test demo. So I am running it. So it clicked when it clicked on login. See it is coming. This pop-up, right? So login window is coming. Okay. See, CSS selector is working. So before I used to go with the CSS selectors. Now we have a support for XPath also. Now today we will try to integrate with XPath. How we are going to use XPath. Okay. See for that, no. So you need to install the package npm install -g Cypress-Xpath. So it got installed. 35 packages are looking for funding. Okay. So after installing, no, so go to support folder end to end. Here add so require Cypress hyphen export. Okay. See, normally, no, right, end-to-end JS file. So before starting the test case, no, Cypress will load all the default things. So you don't need to mention specifically the test case when start executing, no, it will check the fixtures, it will check the support file. Under support file, it will check command.js, end-to-end JS. These are the predefined. So it will check all the files before loading, running the test case. So when we start running the test case, it checks all these files. Why is require Cypress hyphen export means here it will take all context of Cypress XPath related. It will take all context of Cypress-Xpath. It's a kind of package. It's a kind of what we'll say. Yeah, it's a kind of package. It will load everything. It will load everything required. What is required for the Cypress? It will take all the context of Cypress-Xpath. Okay. Okay. Once it is ready, now go to your test case here. Okay. Instead of cy.login, right? So what I can do here, go here and select this element. Now ID we have, right? ID. So pick the ID or class. I'll take the class, write the export for it. What is the export? Okay, what we can write this export slash. What is the input here? Here, right? Link. This is the one, right? A link. Mm, on the rate of class equals. This is the navigation input. So this is our export for class. Try to use here. Just try to run it. Okay. So instead of running every time, no, I can run the single test case, right? So go to package.json file, mm, run single test. Mm. Mm. So directly I can run. Not the file name. Just copy it. Okay, we'll try to run every time. We don't need to launch the Cypress console. Just run from here. Okay, from the command line. Mm. Why it failed? Okay, so open npx Cypress open. So when we run through the command line, no, you will get just the information. Test case pass or fail. But this is a very quick to run the test case. But if you want to debug why it got failed, no, it is better to go to the Cypress console or Cypress test runner, and you can check it. hmm, Why the test case is failing. We will see why the test case is failing here. Okay. See, unrecognized expression. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry. Okay, here now when you are creating, right? This is get is for the CSS selector. XPath. You need to provide the XPath here. Okay. 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 We'll take it. Control C. Control V. Okay. Let me read. CY.XPath. This is the XPath. XPath. Where it is. Okay. See, it worked now, right now. Directly it worked. Okay. Okay. I need to comment it. This one. See, it is telling multiple clicks. We are doing same on that. Mm. Okay. Now see. Okay. See, normally, no, this element is identifying this X path, no? X path, right? Intolerance slash A class equal to, see, how many elements are matching? Totally 8 elements are matching. So, one, two, three. This is the fifth element. You can go with index. Fifth element, no, fourth element. See, totally elements are matching, right? Fourth element. See, cart. It is fifth element. See, I'm going through index for now, but you can go with ID also. ID can be unique. So we will go with the index. Okay. For now. Okay. Or instead of writing here dot EQ of 5, I can go like this also. That is also correct. We'll see. Okay. So this works for the CSS selector. This works for the CSS selectors. And this works for the CSS selectors. It is better to go with index here. See, now there is no error, right? See here, when you are debugging, you don't find any error here. Okay. Now we will try to create the login script with XPath only here. Okay. Mm. Now after clicking here, just go here and get this element. So login user ID. No? So now I'll go with the login here. User ID. Just what is it? Input, right? Provide here input. Input is the tag name. ID, right? You just give the ID here. So ID will be always in. Just provide it. Okay. See, one of element is matching. Copy this. This we don't. So we don't require this one. CY dot export export dot. Just type what is the username. Or dot user x at the rate of gmail. Okay. Now cy dot exports, get the exports for the password field. Okay. Exports for the password field. So this is the one. So type password and get this one with the type password. Okay. Input is also input. Just here provide type password. Okay. This is password. Right? Just highlight it. It is matching two elements. See. So it is type password is for this is type text. This is type password. There you go. So you can go with ID. It is identifying two elements. So you can go with index. Here type with index. One. This is two. Okay. Second element. You can pick the second element. We'll go with password with index. Okay. Dot click. So it is going to be type. TYP type. What is the password? Will press that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now CY dot export. Just we need to click the button, right? Just click on the button. Get the login button element. See, on click login is the type button. Button primary. Class will take button primary. Type button. Just go with this type button. 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 Total three elements are matching. Go with the third element. Only one. This is wrong. Okay. Then go with the text. We can go with the text. So this is also one button text. Say one element is matched by text, text of this button, not click. Okay. After clicking on this element, so you can see verify for the logout button. Logout button should be visible. This element should be visible. Inspect element ID. This element should be visible. Save I dot get of this element ID, right? Hash ID. This element dot could be B dot visible, visible dot and have dot text on the text. So you can do this validation, log out this text. So can we run it now? Yeah. Okay, it is not running correctly, right? Wait, see, it is not working properly. It is taking some time to enter the username, right? So the username is big. So that's why what we'll do now, we will use delay. So delay 1 second, delay. Okay, now try to see, is it working now? Okay, before type, no, just click it, not click. Before typing, back, click. We'll try this one. Password is also same. Password. I think the element what we capture, no, we never found it. They are telling right. So go here, log out. So password, no, go here, pick the other element from password. So we have ID, right? Directly I can go with ID. Okay, I'll go with ID instead of going with index. No, I'm going with ID. Instead of ID. Okay, input. Just take out this one. So I'm facing some issue. So take out this delay and try now. Still, it should work. See, it work now. See, we will run again. See, but this is required. Half of the data is entering and half of the data is not entering. It is better to have delay. Okay. So this is the way we work for this. Okay. This is the way we will add the XPath here. So I think it is due to this one. No, this is taking time. Means complete data is with the delay only we will handle it. So we have handled in our real-time project. And one more change I will do here. So instead of this one ID, I will go with the text. Hmm? I'll go with the text. Okay. Click on the login link text. Hmm. We will see this one. So this should not be. Actually, the delay is not working. Okay. The delay, it should work. Just without typing, without clicking, we'll see. So this element is not enabled. We need to click it. And okay. I'm doing force click. Okay. Fine. See, the test case got executed successfully. Okay, the test case got executed successfully. So this is how I'm using XPath. I have used both XPath as well as here I have used CSS selectors. Anyway, see for CSS selector we don't require any for CSS selector we don't require so any plugin to add. So any library to add, but XPath no, it is externally we need to add the package. Okay, Cypress hyphen XPath. So why it is running multiple times now? So it should not run, but there is some issue. So due to this, I have set retrace. That's why it is running multiple times. Okay, I have set the retrace here. Where is this set configuration? Okay. So retrace now, run mode 2, open mode 2. So if I comment it, it will run only single time. Okay. See, only once it will execute and it will finish the execution, either pass or fail. If it fails now, then it will stop the execution. So there is some problem with the delay as well as the uh, email ID. It's a huge email ID, right? But we are going to handle with this one with delay only. Okay. So this is how, with the help of delay only, it should work. Sometimes no, this is not. This application is also it's a demo application, right? I don't know. This field is not taking properly. It's okay. I hope you understood the concept, guys. The way we use the XPath here, okay, in this script. Okay. Thank you.